The forces which meet at a point but their line of action do not lie in one plane are called. Statement 1, non-coplanar and non-concurrent forces. Statement 2, coplanar and non-concurrent forces. Statement 3, non-coplanar and concurrent forces. Statement 4, coplanar and concurrent forces. So here we are discussing about coplanarity of the forces. Suppose we will take example of number of forces. Suppose first force F1 vector, second force let it F2 vector, so we have taken two forces F1 vector and F2 vector, in which we have seen they are meeting at a point, F1 vector and F2 vector, which are meeting at this point. So we can say these are lying in the same plane, because two vectors are always lie on the same plane. Now we will consider a third vector which is not in this plane. Suppose we draw it like this. This F3 vector is not in the same plane in which F1 and F2 are lying. Hence we can say these three vectors, example we have considered three vectors, F1 vectors, F2 vector and F3 vector. They are not lying in same plane according to our question, hence we will say these are non-coplanar. But if we see the figure, we can check these are meeting at a common point, that is represented with the help of P. So P is a point where all three vectors are meeting, hence we can say these are lying in the same point. So if vectors meeting at a point, vectors meet at a point, they are known as concurrent forces. So with the help of example F1 vector, F2 vector, F3 vector, we have seen F1 and F2 are lying in the same plane, but F3 is not in the plane, hence they are non-coplanar, and all three vectors, all three forces are meeting at a point, therefore they are concurrent forces. Therefore answer of this question is non-coplanar and concurrent forces. Thank you.